Okay, today we're looking at an area kind of northwest of Sioux Falls, South Dakota, construction zone. And here's the orthographic. There's about us flying at 100 feet, 12 megapixel, 45-degree gimbal angle. Took about 1,800 photos or so. And so here we have our typical 2D. And then we'll go and take a look at our 3D. And we'll turn on our show model. And appearance, we'll do high quality today, just for show. And we can go ahead and take a look around here. Let's see, I see we have a shipping container here. Go ahead and get some measurement off of that. Looks to be a half size. So I can only guess we'll fine tune this here in a bit. Change it to feet. And then I'll drag these out until they fall away basically. So there. And about there. So we're measuring about 20.27 feet. So that's pretty darn close. And if I want to get a height measurement off of that, I know it's probably going to be right around 8 foot. Of course, we're sitting on dirt here, so let's just grab an edge here and measure somewhere. And of course, that's going to vary because we're not on a perfect cement surface, but either way, we're getting about 8.5 feet off of that. Bring it a little closer to the edge. Oh, here we go. Here we have some rebar, and I can surmise that those are 20 footers. So let's grab our measuring tool, and we'll just do a quick snap here. So yeah, looks to be about 20 foot. Next thing we can do is, let's go over to this dirt pile, and see if we can get a height off of this, about from here to here. And let's see if I'm at a high point here. So we're looking about 20 foot there. And we have some trees in the distance. Let's go ahead and hop over there. Grab some. Now I'm just going to place this pointer roughly, and then I'll drag it out until it takes a big jump, as you can see I'm doing here. So about there, about 21 foot on that tree to this point down here. Now there are some anomalies out here on the edge of this, simply because there just isn't enough information. And the method I'm using to stitch this together is once you get out toward the edges, it doesn't do a real good job. So for example, it's reasonably accurate in this area here, but as you get toward the edge, we're missing some data here and things kind of go haywire. This road actually continues on through. So let's take a look at this roadway here, just to get some measurements. I really don't know what the width is on this, but we'll measure approximately across white line to white line. Oops, that's the wrong tool for the job. We'll grab this guy here, and you know, if I were to measure that, I'd say it's somewhere in that 24 foot range as far as roadway width goes. I have a ditch there, So yeah, that's about it. Looks like we have some culvert sections laying in this region, and we can kind of see what the plan is here for this development. See a lot of weathering going on. We can measure this building here. Again, I don't know what the actual dimensions are. Somebody maybe will tell me. But I'll go ahead and place a dot here and a dot here, and we'll end that, and then we can drag these out till they change a lot. Looks like about 112. So yeah, from the edge of the roof line to the edge of the roof line, looks like about 112 feet. Would be interesting to go out there and see what the true measurement is, but it's probably reasonably close to that. Looks like we have some landscaping in place already. Right through here you can see. So a lot of work to do yet, but it's definitely coming along. It's unfortunate so much dirt work gets done and then the weather kicks in and really moves the dirt around. So again, looks like we're about at 24-foot range as far as width of the road goes here from line to line. So that's it. Yeah, it was fun. Total processing time was somewhere in the area of 14 hours, I think. 12, 14 hours. These settings are on the higher side. I can go higher yet, but it's really not necessary. So let's go ahead and flip back to the 2D, and then we'll call it quits.